My name is Mahayana Isabel, and I came upon the Ho'oponopono in 2007. And how I came upon it is that I was having problems with one of my children. I have three children, and today I have a grandchild. And at the time, in 2007, I was talking to a friend and saying that there's a problem that keeps replaying. And so she said, well, do you know about the Ho'oponopono? And I didn't know. So I came home and looked at it on the computer, did a search, and I saw a video with Dr. Hugh Len. And so this is how I came upon the Ho'oponopono. And I saw online, and I straight away, when I heard that it was about responsibility, taking responsibility for memories replaying, I thought that's something that's missing in my spiritual practice. So I was practicing, mindfulness, you can call it, or conscious parenting already for a long time, but it wasn't enough, And so when I met the Ho'oponopono, and when I started to practice, for me, it's the missing piece of spiritual practice, and I studied quite a lot with several spiritual teachers over many years, and nothing that I had studied included the subconscious or the programming in the subconscious. We had to go into therapy if you were going to, practice something that would clear the subconscious, or philosophy or psychology or that kind of thing, So I'm more to the point, very useful to seeing that I have the solution in me. The minute that I see something replaying in my reality with my child, I had three children. With one of my children, I remember that it's something replaying outside to let me know that there's something in me, in my subconscious, some kind of data, programming, memory that I need to clean in order to do what? In order to have peace and allow inspiration to speak through me, to let me know how to interact with the children, what decisions to take, what to eat, where to go, what to do in my life, etc. So that's how I've been able to keep it going for so many years, because the programming is very, very prevalent it's still prevalent in me now, after maybe it's only 12, 13 years, whatever, of practice. But the programming is always there, because more programming comes every second of the day, right? With everything that we hear, or in the news, or some things coming up in me that I remember from my childhood, etc. So it just doesn't, programming will keep coming up, or through the children or through family, you're recognizing some of the programming, but I have a tool and I know exactly what to do about it. And that's how I've been able to keep it for so many years. And I can't imagine not using the cleaning tool, because programming is there, and what the important thing is to me is that I have peace and that I'm inspired every day, all day, and I feel that I do live in inspiration, and that I've been able to access some talents that I never thought actually I would access had I not got to the cleaning in me. So, for example, I started to write books, and they were self-help books, and until maybe about the same time I encountered the Ho'oponopono, I started to write a novel, for example. And if you told me I was going to be a novelist, or I wouldn't have believed it, because I wouldn't have believed enough in myself to be able to pull it off. So, and it's just wonderful, to allow myself to let talents unravel. We have a lot of talent to unpack. In fact, the only thing missing will be time to unravel all the talents that you have in you that you haven't been able to unpack yet. Or in me, it's the same thing. We're the same. We're this awesome human being, a fractal of divine intelligence encapsulated in this body, having this experience, hopefully contribute to other people while we unpack our talents. Thank you.